Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, and today we have a 2006 Nissan Tiida ST, stock reference number 5042. The shape runs from the 4th month 2004 through to the 2nd month 2010. There's an MR18 1.8 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by an automatic front-wheel drive transmission. MR18 1.8 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. We have the right-hand headlight, left-hand headlight, front bar reinforcement, left front 15-inch steel rim with a good tyre, left power door mirror, bonnet appears to have no damage, left front door has 3 dents, left rear door also has 3 dents, left rear 15-inch steel rim with a good tyre, left hand tail light, right hand tail light, right rear 15-inch steel rim with a good tyre, right power door mirror, and a right front 15-inch steel rim with a good tyre. We have the driver's side door trim. This vehicle's got manual window winders. It's fitted with grey cloth interior, automatic console, automatic gear shifter, heater controls, 6-stack CD player, interior mirror, left sun visor, right sun visor, and the instrument cluster. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.